Thank you. Hi, I'm Brent Mattson. I'm head of partnerships at Monkey.
And I'm Shelby Branches, head of sales at Monkey.
According to the most recent Fed SMB credit survey, 82% of SMBs in the US have difficulty accessing finance for their working capital. 82% is a significant number, and it's a significant number on its own, but if you consider that 44% of the US GDP is represented by those companies, and they also count for 2/3 of net new hires, that's a huge number. So treasurers at these companies, they know what optimizing their working capital is worth. They know that money is key, and that's why we built Monkey. We provide financial institutions a white label platform to launch and scale working capital finance offerings in weeks, not years, and zero upfront investment. So with your own working capital finance platform, your financial institution can have a solution for corporate clients that allows them to extend their payment terms while they simultaneously allow their suppliers to shorten their payment terms and get paid when they need to. So the result of that really is stronger supply chains and optimized working capital both for the buyers of goods and the suppliers of goods. And meanwhile, the bank is deploying capital to their corporate clients that already have existing credit lines, and so you don't have to do additional work on that. So it's really a win-win-win situation. So today we're going to show you how, by partnering with Monkey, a US bank, and especially a regional bank or a credit union, can generate new revenue streams on day one of a launch. You can acquire new and deepen existing relationships nationwide, and you can centralize all of your transaction data in one place and gain market insights. So let's take a look at the platform. This is our dashboard for financial institutions. And as you can quickly see, the usual friction points of email attachments and manual onboarding and transactions that take days to execute and settle are gone. We've automated all that, and we've made a UX that makes it very easy to use and makes it very easy to onboard. So from this centralized dashboard, your authorized bankers can deploy your bank-size funding in fintech-like speed. So the suppliers obviously are going to love that sort of speed as well, and they can view their invoices and request payment in as little as 4 clicks. So let's walk through what a supply chain finance trade would look like and how quickly your client suppliers could access that early payment on the platform. So from the supplier viewpoint, to access, you just get paid now. And from here, you can see all the available invoices that you have from your buyer that are eligible for early payment. So you can choose all or just 1 or 2 and go through and click those, confirming what the invoice amount would be, what the discount rate for the bank would be, as well as the average tenor. And go ahead and request early payment. So that request has been made. It's been sent to the bank already. And so if you go back to that home page for the supplier, you can see that there are invoices that are awaiting approval for the banks. So if we head back to the bank's dashboard, we'll be able to see the trades that are coming through that need to be approved and signed, right? So with 2 clicks here, you're just going to approve a trade. It's going to confirm, make sure that you're ready to do that. And with that, the trade is executed. Automatically, the credit assignment agreement is signed electronically, and we update all the settlement instructions for your bank at the end of the day, putting all that information so you know where to make payments and when. So that's it. It's just that fast. That's how your platform, powered by Monkey, can deploy capital quickly and strengthen your client supply chains. At Monkey, we believe that financing should be that fast, transparent, and accessible. And we have 115 financial service partners that believe exactly the same thing. And they believe it because increased deal flow and revenue are what are the result of that. So we've seen how fast we can do it. We've seen how accessible we can do it. But what does transparency mean to us? It means that banks keep their relationships, banks keep their brand, and we provide the infrastructure. That's it. So when you go back to see how you can interact with your clients here, you do it directly. So from this main screen, you can onboard your clients. You can activate or deactivate their programs. You can define your credit limits. You can view your legal agreements, and you can reach out directly to your customers. If you need to get more files, more information, you deal directly with your customer. We're not standing in the way. You can also upload your discount curves so you can keep up to date on the market with any kind of market movements. In addition to what you have on the platform here, we also have an engagement and growth team that's dedicated to helping you reach new clients. And so you can reach new clients in the corporate space by working with our teams. So that's how we define transparency. Monkey has never been a financial institution. We never will be. We're just here to partner with you to build your business with our infrastructure and to do it more quickly. So finally, let's just take a look at how you can centralize all your information. If you go back to the main page here, you can see general information about what you've quoted, what you've won, the transactions you've already done, your average rate, program fee, and so on. And if you go down a little further, you can benchmark your performance and see how you're doing. In addition to this as well, we have a data and analytics team that can work to customize dashboards and build them just for you. And so you've got all that information aggregated in one place. So whether you're building a new program or you're just scaling an existing working capital finance program, you can do it with confidence with all the information at hand. So again, why partner with Monkey? Generate new revenue streams. Do it in weeks, not years. And do it without upfront investment. Expand your client portfolio, both with existing customers and with new ones with our help. And you build and manage the business line effectively, having all the information at your fingertips. So the opportunity is huge in this mid-market working capital space. And the first movers with the right platforms are going to be the ones that seize it. And so it used to be something that would take years to do. But with us, you can do it in weeks. Moving quickly is key, because money is key. Come see us at our booth. Michelle and I will be down there. Our CFO will be as well. Hope to talk to you. Thanks.